Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to import SQL file in MySQL on Linux and Windows environments. On Linux we can import SQL file from Linux shell and MySQL. On Windows we can import SQL file from command prompt and MySQL. First we will see on Linux, then we will see on Windows. See, I have connected to my Ubuntu machine. Let's create SQL file. In this SQL file, we are adding these three commands. One is create database, another is use the database, and third one is create a table in this database. Press enter and Ctrl D to save and quit. Let's verify. See, first we are going to create a database, then we are going to use that database. In that database, we are going to create a table. Let's import this SQL file in MySQL from Linux shell. Command is MySQL -u, then root. Here you root or any user, then -p. If you want to import SQL file in a specific database, then provide D, then database name. Here I am going to create a database, then less than symbol, then provide the SQL file name. Press enter, then provide password. We have successfully executed. Let's verify whether we have successfully imported this SQL file or not. Connect to MySQL. Then show database. See, there is a database with test. Let's verify this EMP table has been created or not. Use test show tables. Then describe EMP table. See, we have created table EMP column with integer and EMP name with the data type varchar and size is 40. Second method, by connecting to MySQL. Now create another SQL file, student create table. Now I am going to create a table students. I will keep all these comments in the video description. Ctrl D to save and quit. Now execute. Now import this SQL file by connecting to MySQL. -u, provide username, then -p. Now connect to database where you want to import this file. Use test, then command to import SQL file is source, then provide full path of SQL file. My SQL file exists in this directory. Now provide the file name. Press enter. See, query is okay. Let's verify table students is created or not. Show tables. See, table students has been created successfully. Let's verify the table. Describe students. See, table has been created successfully with 5 columns. So until now we have seen how to import SQL file in Linux environment from Linux shell as well as by connecting to MySQL. We have successfully imported SQL file in MySQL on Linux environment. Now we are going to see the steps to import SQL file in MySQL on Windows environment. Here also we are going to import SQL file from command prompt and by connecting to MySQL server. Let's create SQL file. I am in C and test directory. Let's create SQL file. Here change the name to SQL create database .sql. Edit this file and provide commands or statements for this SQL file. Create. I am using same commands as we did in Linux environment. use test, then create table emp number int emp name varchar 40, then close the parenthesis and semicolon. Save this file. Now open command prompt as administrator. Right click on command prompt, then select run as administrator. Now navigate to SQL file location. See, my SQL file is located in my current directory. Clear screen. Now import this SQL file to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p, then less than symbol and file name. Create database.sql, then press enter. Then provide password. Now connect to MySQL and verify whether this is success or not. Show databases. See, test database has been created successfully. Now connect to test database and verify the table is created or not. Show tables. See, emp table has been created successfully. Let's verify table structure. See, we have created table with these two fields. Now create another SQL file. Create table.sql. Now edit this file. I am going to keep all these commands in the video description. Paste these commands and save the file. Now we are going to execute this SQL file by connecting to MySQL. Now we are going to import this SQL by connecting to MySQL server. From command prompt, connect to MySQL. Now import this SQL file from MySQL. Now switch to database where we want to import this SQL file. Import SQL file by using source, then provide full file path. C drive test folder. In the test folder, my SQL file exists. Then press enter. No need to provide semicolon. Query is okay, no error found. Let's verify table is created. See, table is created. See, my script also contains students table creation. Let's verify the table structure. We have created a table with 5 columns. Now we have completed how to import SQL file in Windows environment also. So in this video we have seen how to import SQL file in MySQL on Linux and Windows environment. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.